Hi, this is John with Flat 6 Motorsports. Today we're showcasing the AWE wind foilers, which help reduce wind buffeting. So a common complaint amongst 911 owners is when the windows are down and you're at speed, whether you're on the highway or at the track, you get a wind buffeting effect. And that is when air moves across through the windows when the windows are down, and a lot of tracks require you to keep the windows down for safety. Wind just comes in the cabin and makes a very unpleasant buffeting noise. AWE tuning is a solution developed to solve this problem, and they first introduced this back in the day on the 991. It also works on the 981 and 718 Boxster, but they introduced a new version for the 992 generation 911, which replaces the factory plastic trim piece and basically just pops right off. You replace it with this AWE Foiler that has a nice little lip on it, which directs the wind past the area of the window, so it keeps the wind going to the back of the car and not into the car. And the effect of this is a reduction of wind buffeting. We're going to show you how to install these. It's a very simple process. It's a very popular upgrade. We'll get into the install, and then we'll take it out for a spin and give you some clips of it before and after to see what kind of change it makes.
Today we're going to be putting in the air foilers from AWE, and it's a pretty simple installation. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, what we're going to do is we're going to take our wedge tool and we're going to gently pry it up on this inner sail panel right here. It does have some pretty stiff clips, so it may take a little bit of work to kind of pop it up. As you can see, it'll pop up just like that. It does have a wire harness on it, so you can just kind of set that aside. You don't need to unplug that. Next, we're going to be removing the T20 screw that holds the factory sail panel on. You can use a manual tool, but electric ones work just fine. So once we remove that, then the factory tool, or excuse me, the factory panel slides right up off the clip. And then we'll go ahead and replace that with the AWE version. And you'll just insert that back onto that little clip and press down. And you'll feel it just kind of set flush with the door. Once that's down, go ahead and reinsert our T20 screw. Doesn't take a lot of torque because it is plastic, so just a little snug, that's all you need. Once that's complete, you can kind of tuck that wire harness back down into the door a little bit, making sure to get the clip of the factory panel back over that little clip on the door, and you can press it down until you get a positive engagement. And that's it, you're all finished.
We hope you found this video informative. These AWE wind foilers are available at flat6.com. If you're looking for any other solutions for your 992, we have you covered. Check us out. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.